information that very recently I was reading somewhere in the article that in United States of America, US, especially this country's name was given, okay, the kind of stress and the kind of chaos which is being created because of COVID-19 situation, and people are very stressed out, and people are going through depression, mental illnesses, and even suicidal thoughts are coming in people's mind because of the panic situation which is being created, financial issues and health issues, and family members getting corona, and the vaccination part is still confusing, all of that. Okay, so I was reading that very recently there is a lady and there are a group of people who have come up with a solution of cuddling the cows in US, and you know how much are they charging? They are charging $200 for 1 hour or 2 hours maximum, okay, to cuddle the cows. Because cuddling cows, as per their scientific research, US has come up with the scientific research now, that like you have dog therapy in which you cuddle a dog or you be with a dog, then your depression levels and your stress levels go down, and it's like a therapy to rejuvenate you and get you back to the normal senses. Similarly, now they have done a research that cuddling a cow or being with a cow or patting a cow, again de-stresses you majorly. It removes all your negative thoughts. It removes the negativity inside you, the stress level inside you, the depression levels inside you. Okay, and people are lying down with the cows. I was seeing the article and I was seeing the YouTube video as well on this, and this is very recently people have started doing that, and the clients who went there, the people who are actually going through this depression and stress things in their lives because of all of this, they have done the reviews and they have said that they have really felt nice and de-stressed and happy. The feeling of happiness has come inside them by doing this activity, and they're going for repetitive sessions out there. Okay, so of course now since it started, people are paying $200 per hour or 2 hours, whatever it is, and they are getting benefits out of it. Now I wanted to give this information first, but now I want to say to our country, India, Indians especially, in our Vedas, it's been written right from the starting that you have to take care of the cow, and if you take care of the cow is supposed to be a mother, and it's supposed to be so sacred and pure and has a special place in our Vedas, and you should always take care of the cows. But what is happening these days in India, where it's actually written in our Vedas long back, long back. Okay, and now when the West has understood this one point of the cow, not even all the benefits of the cow they're talking about right now. They're not even aware of all the benefits of the cow. And here people laugh. In majority people laugh. Oh, what's gonna happen with the cow, and we are so modern, we can't keep a cow. I'm excusing the people who are staying in apartments and flats, but I always say that you can always, share some amount of your money for their medicines, for taking care of them, or adopting a cow. In so many gaushalas, the houses of the cows which are made, you can always adopt a cow and have the blessings of the cow and even do something good for animals. Okay, but that's not happening. What's happening? You're beating cows here. You're actually letting them roam on the roads without food, without water, and they are injured, and you are in fact torturing the cows. And I was also hearing that these days, I was seeing on the news channels and few articles which keeps on coming on Facebook, that cows go through tremendous miseries. What all they do, all of us are aware of, and this is the Kali time. So the point I'm trying to make out here is, please take care of the cows, respect the cows, because they are such pure souls and directly connected to the divine energies, positive energies. And just by sitting along with them, feeding them, you will feel the positiveness in you. Okay, and due to this kind of aura that a cow has, the COVID-19 situation which is happening right now is so stressful. And if you start doing this even right now, cows are all around you, start feeding them with food. That's the first thing you can actually do. Pat them, and people are going through this stress level in India also and everywhere around the world. If you do this, and not just cows for that matter, respect all the animals, give food to all the animals, because Mother Nature is completely angry with us. at this point of time, and that's the reason all of this this virus and this anger of Mother Nature is, pouring on all of us. We have to understand this. We should not laugh on this. We have to understand that now it's the time for Mother Nature to react on all of us. All the miseries, all the cruelty done on animals is something that we are paying back now. Okay, so yes, I just wanted to make this quick video that cuddle the cows, respect cows, give them food, sponsor a cow, adopt a cow. You will find the difference in your life. Okay, the benefits are immense, but do this with love and affection. Do this because of humanity. Okay, not just for getting benefits. Okay, but even if you start doing this thinking something good will happen to me, even then it's a good start, but your intention should be pure, your intention should be correct. Okay, so that's about it. I'll come up with a new video next week. Till then, goodbye.